Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue for many Chevrolet Silverado owners, as we'll learn how to reset your tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, sensor. This process is super useful after a tire rotation, and it also helps if you've adjusted your tire pressure, or perhaps you've just installed new tires. Keeping your TPMS accurate is incredibly important for safety, as it ensures you always know your tire pressure, so let's get right into the steps. There are a few effective ways to reset your Silverado's TPMS, and the simplest method often involves just driving. First, always make sure all your tires are inflated correctly, so check your driver's side door jamb sticker for the precise recommended pressure. Then, you can drive your Silverado for about 10 to 15 minutes, trying to maintain a speed over 20 miles per hour, and the system might automatically recalibrate itself, as this usually happens if the sensors just needed to wake up after a change. If that doesn't work, you'll need to perform a manual relearn, which is a method that uses your truck's own controls. To begin this, park your Silverado safely, then turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, navigate to your Driver Information Center, or DIC, using the directional buttons on your steering wheel. Look for the Tire Pressure menu, and once there, you should see an option like Tire Pressure Monitor Learn. Select this option, then press the Set/Clear or checkmark button, and your horn will chirp twice, which signals the start of the relearn process. Now, you need to activate each sensor individually, so start with the front left tire. You can either slowly deflate the tire by letting some air out, or you can slowly inflate it by adding air, and you'll listen for a single horn chirp. This chirp confirms that the sensor has been learned. After the front left, move clockwise around your truck to the front right tire next, and repeat the deflation or inflation process, listening for that single chirp. Then move to the rear right tire, and again, slowly adjust the pressure, waiting for the chirp. Finally, go to the rear left tire, adjust its pressure, and listen for the final single chirp. After the last tire is learned, the horn will chirp twice more, which means the relearn process is complete. Now, immediately reinflate all your tires to the correct pressure as indicated on your door jamb. Turn off your ignition, and then drive your Silverado again for a short period to confirm the new settings. If you happen to have trouble with the manual method, a special TPMS relearn tool can be very helpful. These tools are often available at auto parts stores, and they send a specific signal to each sensor, which makes the relearn process quicker. You simply point the tool at the valve stem and then activate it when prompted by the DIC, and it works similarly to the manual deflation/inflation method but is often more reliable for stubborn sensors. Always ensure your tires are at the recommended pressure after any reset process. That's how you effectively reset your Chevrolet Silverado's tire pressure sensor. It's truly a straightforward process once you know the steps, and knowing these steps can save you time and money. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it was incredibly helpful for you. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. We genuinely appreciate your support.